Hello, good day everyone. So we will move to the next lesson, which is solving rational equation. In our past lesson, we know that rational equation are or rational equations are equations wherein there is a denominator in the whole equation. Okay, this time we will now move on how to solve a rational equation. Okay, so let us consider this example. So the first thing that you have to know to solve a rational equation is to find the LCD of the rational equation. We will look on the denominator. So our denominators are x, 2x, and 5. So between x, 2x, and 5, we will identify its LCD or the concept of LCM. Okay, so since it is a combination of variable and a constant, we'll look first on the constant, which is 2 and 5. So what is the LCD between 2 and 5? So the LCD between 2 and 5 is 10. Okay, so now since there is a variable, which is x, so in the variable x is the LCM or the LCD. Now, so the LCD now is 10x. How do we know if it is really the LCD? So the LCD or the LCM is a term wherein we can divide each LCD. So since 10x is divisible by x, because 10x divided by x is 10, and then 10x is divisible also to 2x, because 10x divided by 2x is 5, and also 10x is divisible to 5, which is 2x. Now, after we find the LCD, so the LCD is 10x, we'll move to the next step, which is multiplying the LCD to the entire equation. So 10x times 2 over x. So dito, so 10x multiply it by 10x. Okay, 10x times 2 over x minus 10x times 3 over 2x is equal to 1/5 times 10x. Let's continue. So 10x times 2 over x, it is simply cross cancellation. So 10x divided by x, that is 10 times 2, and that is 20, minus 10x divided by 2x, and that is 5 times 3, that is 15, is equal to 1/5 times 10x. So 10x divided by 5, that is 2x times 1, and it is 2x. So proceed. 20 minus 15 minus 5 is equal to 2x. Okay. To eliminate 2, you have to divide both sides by 2, and that is the division property of equality. Divided by 2, both sides divided by 2. So x is equal to 5 over 2. So the value of x is 5 over 2. Okay, for you to know if the value of x is really 5 over 2, we can now check the equation. It is simply substituting the value of x 5 over 2 to the whole equation. Okay, so let us check if 5 over 2 is correct. Okay, let us check it to the equation. Okay, the value of x that we get is 5 over 2. Okay, so in checking, we will substitute the value of x by 5 over 2. So 2 over 5 over 2 minus 3 over 2 times 5 over 2 is equal to 1 over 5. Okay, so 2 divided by 5 over 2, it will become 2 times 2 over 5. minus 3 over 2 times 5 over 2. So cancel 2. It will become 3/5 equals to 1/5. Okay, so 2 times 2 over 5, and that is 4 over 5, equals 3 over 5 is equal to 1 over 5. So 4 over 5 minus 3 over 5, it will become 1 over 5 is equal to 1 over 5. Since in our checking, it satisfies, so meaning our value of x, which is 5 over 2, is correct. So the value of x is 5 over 2. So I hope you learned in our discussion today. So try to solve some problems. You can solve some problems in your own for you to know how to solve a rational equation. So thank you very much. I hope you learned something in our discussion, and have a good day.